Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change your team name on Figma. So let us get started right away. Head over to Figma, log into your account, and here on the left panel guys, head over to your team. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Click into it with your left mouse. That is going to redirect you to that team's overview with all its ongoing projects. So what you want to do guys is if you'd like to customize or edit your team, is simply click into, for example, that profile icon here to change your team's profile icon, or you can change its name by clicking into that arrow down icon here next to your team name, and after that click into rename. That's one way, or you'll click into view settings here, and simply here in your team settings click into change name here below your team name and assign a new name here. And that's basically it. You will have up to 118 characters for that. I would like to keep my team name, but simply confirm by clicking on rename here, and after that your new team name will be applied, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.